In this video, I will show you how to use Gling AI to remove mistakes and pauses in your videos. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Upload your video to Gling AI. Edit with AI. Once you have selected your video spoken language, select Continue. You then want to make sure that Cut Silences is highlighted and Cut Bad Takes is highlighted. If you would like it to add any other options to your video, you can then select the ones that you desire. So once we have selected Cut Bad Takes and Cut Silences, we can then enhance and edit. Once it has finished processing, you can then watch the video back and make sure that it has correctly removed pauses and mistakes from your video. Once you are happy with the edits, you can go to Export in the top right corner and then export your video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.